I'm here with the Sage Super Q blender. With this, you'll be able to whip up soups, smoothies, and juices in seconds, thanks to its powerful 2400-watt motor. It gives you quick results, even for thicker ingredients, nuts, and fibrous foods that might be a challenge for your standard blender. You can also fit loads into the large 2-litre jug, whether you're prepping some soup for the week or mixing a batch of cocktails for your partied guests. You've got a range of options to get the results you want, with 12 speed settings to choose from and a pulse function that makes sure you'll get the perfect texture, whatever you're making. And to take the guesswork out of your blending, the Super Q feature has loads of preset programs that make it easy to get the ideal settings for drinks, soups, and frozen desserts with the touch of a button. And it comes with a personal blender attachment that has its own blade unit, meaning you can blend straight into the cup and take it out and about.